Using spiritual power to strengthen your mind isn't about escaping challenges or forcing positivity. Rather, it's about developing an inner strength that can face life with grace, resilience, and clarity. Zen wisdom offers timeless practices for cultivating this spiritual strength. Here are some practical ways to harness your spiritual power and build mental resilience. 1. Embrace silence and stillness. Zen emphasizes the power of silence and stillness. Spending time in silence, whether through meditation or simply sitting quietly, helps calm the mind and allows you to connect with a deeper sense of self. This inner stillness can give you strength and clarity to handle stress and obstacles with a centered mind. 2. Anchor yourself in the present moment. One of the core tenets of Zen is being fully present. Most mental stress comes from either regretting the past or fearing the future. When you focus on the present moment, you take back control of your mind, reducing worry and anxiety. A simple way to practice this is through mindful breathing, noticing each breath as it comes and goes. 3. Detach from the ego. The ego creates separation, competition, and the need to constantly prove oneself. Zen wisdom encourages us to release the grip of ego, seeing it as a passing thought rather than our true identity. By detaching from ego, we lessen the hold that external validation and criticism have on us, developing a mind that's more peaceful and resilient. 4. Cultivate a beginner's mind, Shoshin. In Zen, having a beginner's mind means approaching life with curiosity, openness, and a willingness to learn. This mindset strengthens the mind by keeping it flexible and open to growth. Instead of becoming rigid in our beliefs or resistant to change, we remain adaptable and receptive. 5. Practice compassion and loving kindness. Zen teaches that compassion for others and ourselves creates a peaceful mind. When we act with kindness and release judgments, we stop seeing people or situations as threats or obstacles. Compassion opens the heart, allowing you to handle challenges without anger or resentment, which fosters mental strength and peace. 6. Observe, don't react. Zen mindfulness teaches us to observe our thoughts, feelings, and experiences without immediate reaction. When a stressful or negative thought arises, try to see it as a passing cloud rather than something to hold onto. This ability to observe without reacting can give you tremendous control over your mind, helping you respond with intention rather than impulse. 7. Engage in daily mindful rituals. Zen wisdom finds spirituality in everyday tasks, like drinking tea, washing dishes, or walking. By turning these tasks into mindful rituals, you train the mind to find peace and focus in the ordinary. This practice grounds you, building mental strength to handle larger challenges with the same sense of calm and presence. 8. Let go of attachments. Attachment to certain outcomes, people, or ideas often leads to suffering. Zen wisdom encourages letting go of these attachments, recognizing that change is natural and resisting it creates tension. By releasing attachments, we free our minds from unnecessary burdens and become more adaptable, resilient, and open to life's flow. 9. Accept life as it is. Acceptance doesn't mean passivity, but a willingness to face life without resistance. When you stop fighting reality, your mind can focus its energy on effective solutions rather than getting stuck in frustration. Acceptance strengthens your mind by allowing you to be adaptable, seeing challenges as part of life's ebb and flow. Final thoughts. Zen wisdom provides a spiritual path that doesn't require belief in anything external. Instead, it encourages us to look inward, to strengthen the mind by cultivating peace, presence, and compassion. Through these practices, you'll discover that true mental strength is a quiet, steady resilience that grows with time and commitment.